बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dasrath Bhai Patel. Brahma Mass Divine Message. परम शांति चिल्ड्रन, बेहद का परम महाशांति है, परम महाशांति है, परम महाशांति है. According to time, I will give you the message. I will give you continuous direction. In Vanis it was said that, how can we forget our Father, who is always there in our mind? His power is coming into our forehead, into our soul. Then it will be printed like, even though if you intentionally want to forget the Father, you can't. If once you done that type of penance and got engaged with that type of current, and your soul got connected with that current or energy, then you think that, how can I forget my Father? You have to remember who is far away from you. Earlier it was said, remember your father, remember father. But now there is no necessary to remember. Now it will be hard for you to forget your father. You will receive continuous power from Bapuji. You receive magnificent power. Once if you got connected with that magnificent power, you can't forget your father. That much tremendous current will comes in you. You can't forget that tremendous power. I read in Vani also that who are far away of you, you should remember him. But he is inside and also outside of you. Then what is the necessary to remember him? You receive a magical power in your forehead. I am surprised when I had that experience. I am saying you about that experience. For that, what you have to do? Go to infinite celestial and take power from Bapuji's forehead. Then a magnificent power will grasp your soul. When it happens, you receive millions, billions voltage of power within you. Your body changes on receiving that magnificent power or energy. How on Diwali the lamps light the way the lamps light another lamp. Do this type of penance quickly. Children, we don't find any happiness in this world. May they are millionaires or billionaires. They are also sad. They are also not happy. Even if this world became good enough, although you don't find any happiness, it will always be sad world. No one was happy in this world. This is 5 elemental world. Children, if I got anything in my mind, I will message it to you. I will tell you according to the time. I will give you the direction. Children, no other way is there more than this what I said. If Bapuji was printed in your forehead, once if that tremendous power grabbed you, it won't go away from your soul. It will leave you only after changing you and after transforming you. You will get that kind of power. Children, do this type of penance. At last, you receive this type of power. Like here in this gross world, if anyone got shocked and someone tries to make him free, he will also stick to him. Likewise, if you received Bapuji's power and got current or energy of Bapuji in your soul and stick it to your soul, then whoever sees you or hears about you, thinks about you or remembers you, that magnificent power will also catches them and they will also changes. Their body also transforms. Their body also turns to supreme light body where they are in that place itself. This is the duty of infinite children. Infinite children have to do this type of duty. Whatever I am giving the direction. I am repeatedly telling you, this is the duty of infinite children. Param Shanti. बेहद की परम शांति.